Okay, you guys. Hi, it's Tay. Um, letting you guys know I ordered a iPhone 8 Plus and it it may be refurbished. So, I mean, there's no maybe to it. Like when I shook it up a little bit, there was like it felt like it was not even protected. So let's pray that in this box it's covered and it's protected and it's not scratched or beat up or anything. So again, I ordered an iPhone 8 Plus. I think it's a 2019 version. So of course, you know, the cord and then the cube. Sorry about the light, you guys. I know it's a little bright, so you can't really see things. And then, of course, paper with my address. You guys don't need to see that. It's pretty heavy. Oh, it's really nice. It's really nice. I mean, besides, you can see my handprints everywhere. I mean, there's like no problems. I see a little dusty, like it might be like a little chipped, like right there, something you really can't notice. Let's see. And then like I don't know if that's a chip or it's just dirty. Oh, it's just dirty. It's just dirty. It's just dirty. It's okay. So let's turn it on. Okay. And oh, what else is in this box is just these little things, to you know, do the little, if you want to put a chip in or anything like that. So it says low battery. Okay. So let's close this. Let's see if it will charge if I plugged it in to my laptop. Oh, I don't know why it's shaking, why the light is flickering on and off like that. Hey, so it's English. Okay, so I think it's charging. It's okay, cool. Okay, so United States. I don't know if Arizona's on here. Hey, is it Arizona or is it Phoenix? I never know what it has on here. So I guess I'm just gonna keep flipping till I hit the P's. I am in the P's, no Phoenix. So I guess the US is like all the way up there. So we'll hit United States. Set up manually start. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out, you guys. Oh, it sent me to English again. Then it sent me to automatically set up and then choose PC or Mac. Let's see. Okay. Wait, no. Um, okay. Cameras. Wait, what? That's crazy. Now it's saying unable to join. It makes no sense because It's saying I can't join the network. Oh, I guess something's going on my end or their end, because that makes no sense at all. Hmm. Why is it not letting me sign into my network? Maybe because, I'm plugged into my laptop, maybe. Okay. All right. So it did sign in. Okay. Okay. So continue. So I guess I just gotta do a few blockage. Uh, oh, okay. 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 Um, I don't wanna do any of that. Don't transfer anything. So I guess I have to sign up. Uh, I don't have an Apple ID. So I guess I have to create one. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna pause this real quick. All right, you guys, welcome back. So I set up everything, like I literally set up everything up. You can see it so shiny and beautiful. Like it's heavy, and I love it. For the first time ever having, well, not my very first time, because my brother bought me an iPhone 6 way back, like bought me and my niece one. But this one seems pretty cool and has FaceTime and everything on it. You know, I mean, it's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna enjoy this one. I just know it. But yeah, I don't have a case or glass ready for it yet. It should be here Friday, and then I'll do a video of opening that and putting it on here. Okay. All right, you guys. Peace out.